Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. First of all, let's enter the settings and then we have to scroll until we will find this last section. We have to tap on users and accounts or on Google we have to enter this section. However, to be honest, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it and here we have to tap on add account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next your device will simply autofill it. I'm not really good at multitasking. Okay. Here we have to enter the password and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on remove account, and that was a misclick. And tap on remove account again. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, your device will probably ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step, and I have no idea what happened. Alright, let's go back. And as you can see in this section for the users and accounts, the account which we previously added simply disappeared. So basically that's all. This is how to manage a Google account in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.